Thank you for visiting Lichtsinn RV and for the opportunity to unveil for you the restyled and re-engineered Winnebago Travato 59K, now based on the restyled and re-engineered ProMaster chassis with an all-new design towards the front and the rear, improvements to the powertrain including the 9-speed automatic torque flight transmission with grade braking capability. This Travato 59K is available here at Lichtsinn RV, America's closest dealer to Winnebago Industries. We're located only 1 mile north of the Winnebago factory, based right here in Forest City, Iowa, and named by the manufacturer Winnebago Motorhomes as the North American top dealer for sales volume across all of the motorhome coach divisions of Winnebago Industries, based right here in Forest City, Iowa, but reaching out across all of North America for that top sales volume award consistently each year since 2015. Also, last year we were named the #2 Class B dealer across all of North America, including Winnebago's competing models, while offering only the Class B offerings from Winnebago Motorhomes. Also, we are a Platinum Flying W award-winning dealer for parts and service after the sale. However, most importantly, be the first to break in and protect your new restyled and re-engineered RAM ProMaster chassis in accordance with the way RAM ProMaster outlines on page 72 of their operator's manual, in which they recommend, if possible, no towing for the first 1,000 miles, driving moderately during the first 300 miles with speeds up to 50 or 55 miles per hour, and while cruising, brief full throttle acceleration within the limits of local traffic laws, contributing to a good break-in procedure. Wide open throttle acceleration in low gear is detrimental and should be avoided. Be the first to break in that new RAM ProMaster powertrain, sleep that first night in your twin bed, flex bed setup in the rear, and eat that first meal in your factory fresh Travato, available here at Lichtsinn RV. Now built on the restyled and re-engineered RAM ProMaster chassis with new styling to the front and rear and improvements to the powertrain, and the latest in Winnebago enhancements, the fuel-efficient Winnebago Travato has been at the forefront of the van life revolution since its launch. Estimated to achieve 18 to 22 miles per gallon highway and at only 21 feet long, the Travato offers all of the comforts of home in a nimble, efficient van. This coach is powered by the tried and true fuel-efficient RAM ProMaster powertrain, the US version of what has become Europe's most successful commercial cargo van from Fiat, the Ducato. You'll see this particular Travato 59K is in the bright white with the exterior deluxe feature paint package. We also stock this coach in the granite full body premium base coat automotive finish with or without the granite deluxe exterior package, an all-new ceramic gray standard package, ceramic gray with the deluxe feature paint package, and also finally this deep cherry red standard paint package, or in the deep cherry red deluxe feature paint package, which includes the front bumpers and the wheel wells painted to match the automotive paint to provide an even more stealth automotive appearance. As we work our way around towards the front of this RAM ProMaster powertrain, you'll see all new styling for the current model year. Restyled and re-engineered by RAM ProMaster, it features the 3.6-liter ProMaster V6 gasoline engine, estimated to achieve 18 to 20 miles per gallon highway. It boasts 280 horses for get up and go, 260 pounds-feet of torque or power to maintain speed in grade situations. It's then mated up with the 9-speed automatic torque flight transmission with grade braking capabilities. It features stylized aluminum wheels and enhancements from last year, including electric rack and pinion power steering featuring a 36.3 turning diameter. It features safety enhancements such as forward collision warning plus, the digital rearview mirror, multi-collision braking, and an all-new Uconnect version 5 with a 10-inch infotainment system that we'll cover as we get inside the RV, compatible with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and features Sirius XM. You'll see the high polished chrome front grille here along with integrated fog lamps down below. High mount brake lamps provide better visibility and also easier maintenance, as well as easier repair, heaven forbid, in the event of body damage. Again, the Travato is only 21 feet tip to tip in length. It features an exterior height of 9 feet 4 inches and an exterior width of 6 feet 9 inches. Working our way to the sides here, you'll see the all-new stylized aluminum wheels with the Winnebago provided side assist steps that do include tie-outs for pets as well as high-end bicycles. You'll see the same thing on the patio side as we work our way around. You'll see powered folding mirrors along with integrated turn signal indicators. You can see the blackout appearance around the side windows. And again, this is the deluxe feature paint package, so it features all of the wheel wells, the front and rear bumpers painted to match, whether that be the granite, the ceramic gray, bright white in this situation, or deep cherry red. These side mirrors feature powered and heated mirrors for the top 80%, the lower 20% then being the convex parabolic wide angle technology. These do piggyback at the touch of a button for easier clearance in storage facilities. Integrated tire pressure monitoring is included for the 16-inch stylized aluminum wheels. This coach is on the upgraded 3500 series chassis, so it does feature a gross vehicle weight rating of 9,350 pounds. It then maintains over 1,700 pounds of occupant and cargo carrying capacity, from which you would deduct any occupants, any gear, and any fresh water that you may travel with. A nice detailed shot here of the side assist steps provided by Winnebago Industries and manufactured in-house, with over 70 to 80% of the components being manufactured in-house using Winnebago's vertical integrations to be able to provide parts, but also to provide tolerances and quality and fit and finish. A locking fuel door is provided for the 24-gallon fuel capacity. Here you'll see the 30-amp detachable shoreline cord, size to power all of your electrical appliances simultaneously without throwing a breaker. Of course, then, because this does have the Cummins Onan 2800i micro quiet fuel injected gasoline generator, standard is an automatic transfer switch to transfer that power from shoreline power or to the Cummins Onan generator. You'll see the LP fill valve here for the 6-gallon LP capacity, primarily used for the Truma Combi Eco Comfort Plus continuous on-demand hot water and coach heating system. You'll see a convenient storage location here for your sewer hose holder. And of course, all of the bare metal is either galvanized or e-coated in the latest in e-coat technology, a voluntary effort by Winnebago Industries with an multi-million-dollar infrastructure upgrade featuring a 10-stage process. Critical steel components are processed through that multi-stage full immersion electrocoating system to provide even plating throughout the metal surface. Here you'll see the exhausting for the Truma Combi Eco Comfort Plus. Again, that is the hot water and coach heat delivery system. Down below here you'll see the drainage system. This provides the capability for draining your black tank, of which then you can complete the drainage with the 13-gallon gray tank capacity to cleanse out your sewer hose. As we get to the rear of the coach here, you'll actually see that the coach does have the fill and city water input for the 21-gallon fresh coach capacity to the coach. You'll see the blackout trim around the windows for a stealth automotive finish. This has the side hung glass windows, although we do stock this also with the dual pane acrylic insulated windows. A convenient side LED light for courtesy lighting to provide access to those side components in the middle of the night. As we work our way to the rear here, you'll see a factory installed option of the all-new Summit Systems roof storage racks with kayak access and a detachable rear ladder with multi-point attachments to each of those roof storage rack locations. This particular coach has the factory installed upgrade of the rear bike rack that will hold 2 bicycles and folds down very easily. Again, that is the factory installed option. Be sure to check with your factory trained consultant here at Lichtsinn RV to see our vast inventory to determine which options fit your particular use. A nice sneak preview there off to the right of the 13-foot Colorado Carefree armless awning with LED lighting and motion sensor retract mode. As we work our way to the rear here of the Travato, you'll see the high mount brake lamp as well as the integrated rear view camera monitoring system that ties in nicely to the new Uconnect 5 10-inch infotainment system. Up top there is the omnidirectional local off-air high-definition antenna that allows you to bring in all of your free local off-air high-definition programming inside the coach. Each of these cargo doors open nearly 270 degrees for easy access to your storage, which will open here in a moment. Of course, keyless entry is provided for all of the doors, including the patio side sliding door and the rear cargo doors. An easy, nice step up here inside the rear of the van. And here you'll see the locking mechanism for the Summit System's detachable rear ladder. Again, multi-point attachments to roof storage rack locations, making it easier to add anything to the roof, including kayak storage, literally anything that you can dream up for the van lifestyle. Down below, a factory installed 3,500-pound tow package includes the wiring harness for convenient use with rear added bike racks, utility trailers, or even towing a small vehicle. Of course, even the hitch is E-coated in the latest in E-coat technology. You can see the wiring harness off to the left. And then up underneath is the Cummins Onan 2800i fuel-injected, National Park-friendly gasoline generator that sips fuel off of the top 3/4 of the 24-gallon fuel capacity. You'll see an LPG quick connect here, intentionally located in this location so that you can maneuver on the patio side or the rear depending upon the wind whip. This Cummins Onan 2800i is National Park-friendly for noise requirements, featuring only 65 decibels at 10 feet at 50% load. At no load, it's only 64 decibels at 10 feet. It is lighter weight from 125 to 110 pounds. It is extremely fuel efficient now that it is fuel injected, featuring only a 0.2 of a gallon operation at minimal load, 0.34 at half load, and only 0.45 at full load. Here you can see the sumo springs that are included now as a standard feature front and rear. Continuing on with the generator, since 1/2 load or 50% represents approximately 1,400 watts, it should be able to power an efficient air conditioner at about 0.2 of a gallon per hour, or 5 hours on one simple gallon. At night, since ACs rarely operate at 100% duty cycle, especially with the new Coleman Mach 10 NDQ thermostatically controlled air conditioner, the generator should typically power this air conditioning all night at only about 2 gallons of fuel or less. As we open up the rear cargo doors, this is the floor plan that really revolutionized the van life lifestyle with a large expansive rear bath and a twin bed flex bed setup. Again, each of these doors will open nearly 270 degrees to the side for easy access to storage and your water systems. Rear window coverings now featured zippered openings for total blackout window covering protection, including an extra layer of insulation, so it serves as an additional thermal break against rear van cavities. Easy to maintain, the zipper allows for easy opening and closing. Of course, all of the accessories will cover as we get inside the oversized bath in one, which features a 25 by 43 inch shower, including the shower rods and tissue dispensers, unlike other van manufacturers that force you to go out and purchase those. Again, these are insulated rear privacy panels, providing complete blackout opaque privacy. and providing that extra thermal break. They can be left open by very simply tucking down, as you see here. Most van manufacturers, including Thor, don't even provide privacy panels to these rear doors. Working underneath the residential height style toilet, you'll see access here then with additional storage. Using computer-aided smart space design from Winnebago Industries, being able to maximize storage capabilities of a nimble van. You'll see the teak shower mat for the 25 by 43 inch shower. LED lighting is included throughout the RV. The updated rear screen provides snap-in and a roll-up screen door with dual zippers. Straps then hold the rolled-up section in place when not being used. And they also feature a quick magnetic egress in and out of the van to eliminate insect penetration. Convenient on that patio side. Here you'll see the rear annex. This rear annex expands capabilities of your van life lifestyle. It includes a hanging rod and shower curtain. It's a tent-like material with Velcro straps and magnetic pawns or pulls attached at various points. You can use this as a larger exterior shower, a makeshift awning, a clothesline, and attachment points on the metal shelf in the front of the cab allow it to be used as a quick cab divider. Here you'll see a 110 volt outlet, 12 volt duplex, additional storage underneath here, including the curtain for the rear annex, the included drainage hose, and then down below, this is the Nautilus Water Systems Management Panel, providing improved winterization package and hot water recirculation system. It includes an exterior shower with both hot and cold water. All control valves, connection points, and exterior wash station are located here on this panel. With color-coded, easy to navigate valve locations, simplifying operation of the water system. It also includes the improved winterization package with clearly marked control panels. You'll see coaxial inputs for satellite or resort cable, a 12 volt on-demand water pump switch, and then you can see how simple this is to guide yourself through management of your water systems, including dry camping, in which the water pump is used, the power fill mode, providing city inlet access then to fill your tank, city water when you're connected at a resort or campground, winterization locations, and then finally sanitized locations to sanitize your freshwater system. You'll also see off to the right an innovative black tank flush. So after draining your 12-gallon black tank, you can irrigate out and cleanse that black tank with a non-potable water hose and then complete your drainage with a 13-gallon gray tank capacity. Of course, all of the Rotocast tanks are manufactured in-house by Winnebago Industries, so they can design the tanks around the floor plan, and not having to design a floor plan around tanks purchased by third-party suppliers, such as in Elkhart, Indiana. The polyethylene seamless one-piece Rotocast tanks are manufactured in-house and also then include spin-welded connections as opposed to compression fittings being used by competing manufacturers using plumbing clamps that can easily open up, loosen, and provide leakage in transit. Silicone sealant is also used surrounding these locations, but the main feature here is the spin weld process to fuse fittings to the water tanks at a molecular level so they actually become part of the integrated tanks. And now, unlike any dealership here in North America, we're going to elevate up to show you all of the quality components atop this Travato 59K. Again, a nice sneak preview there to the Colorado Carefree awning that we'll cover as we get down towards the patio side. But working our way from the rear to the front, we'll zoom in. Again, the multi-point access for the rear detachable ladder surrounds the van. Working our way from the rear to the front, you'll see standard is the solar panel charging system. featuring 250 watts of solar panel capabilities, expandable up to over 500 with the single solar charge controller. It includes quick port plug-and-play application for adding additional solar panels. Just in front of the first larger panel, you'll see the ultra low quiet Coleman Mach 10 NDU high efficiency air conditioning system, which features an interior shroud with directional vents, Bluetooth app control, a built-in thermostat, and automatic mode that will turn the blower off when the compressor is not running. This new AC also significantly reduces power draw at startup. Forward of that is the MaxxAir Premium Vent System, which is a sealed marine hood and thermostatically controlled with a wireless remote that can be wall mounted. Especially in conjunction with the new side screen system, it provides a tremendous amount of fresh air ventilation. You can see each of the struts for the Summit rack system. And then forward of that is the cup antenna for Sirius XM satellite radio, which does include a free trial subscription. You can also pull this off of the app for Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Using our Master RVTI certified technicians, we can also install any type of connectivity enhancement to keep you connected while out in van life. Whether that be a WineGuard Connect 2.0 featuring Wi-Fi boosting and cellular boosting for a 24/7 dedicated internet network, we can connect Starlink for you. We can also do, very simply, a WeBoost, which provides up to 5G LTE cellular boosting. Be sure to check out on our parts page on Lichtsinn.com several of our archived Lichtsinn RV Live webcasts in which we take your questions live and cover all of the connectivity enhancements for your van life. Also, be sure to check out on our parts page the interactive multimedia connectivity enhancement finder tool, which will help pinpoint which connectivity enhancement is right for your use. Also, be sure to check out all of our Lichtsinn RV Live webcasts in which we take your questions live, walking through each of the different vans from Winnebago Industries, including comparisons of this Travato 59K, which is generator-based, or the Travato 59KL, which is the Volta Systems-powered lithium setup. And now, as we work our way back towards ground level, we'll cover all of the quality components on the patio side of the Winnebago Travato. Again, that LPG quick connect will pull off of the 6-gallon LP capacity for gas grill cooking, Blackstone griddle use, both on the patio side or the rear area, depending upon wind whip. A convenient duplex is included here, along with a 12-volt power point and coaxial output if you'd like to use a television on the outside of your van. Also, you saw underneath the dual AGM absorbed glass mat maintenance-free Group 31 RV batteries. These are powered by the Quick Connect for adding additional solar, the solar that's provided on the roof. It's charged anytime that your coach is in motion when the engine's running, anytime that you're plugged in, or when running the generator. Again, the sole purpose of solar is to recharge those dual AGM absorbed glass mat maintenance-free Group 31 RV batteries. Here you'll see the roll-up side screen. It features the snap-in roll-up screen door with dual zippers. Straps hold the rolled-up section in place when not being used, but also feature the magnetic quick access to be able to quickly enter or exit the van. One of the great things about this new adjustable and removable table mount you can see here, it includes the RAM mount tough tracks for the easy to access entry handle, but that can be used outside or inside the van. You can see this large expansive side assist step. It does include undercarriage lighting, so be sure to check out on our vehicle display page on Lichtsinn.com over 200 photos of this van and several photos in which we black out our studio here at Lichtsinn RV to show you how luminous this undercarriage lighting is. Underneath those steps then is also quick tie-outs for tying up pets or high-end bicycles. This Colorado Carefree awning is armless. It's 13 feet in length with LED lighting and a motion sensor retract mode with a faster drive motor now to reduce the potential for wind damage. Bluetooth connectivity makes it easier to operate and also dim the LED lighting. From inside the van, you can bring the awning in or out or turn the lights on or off, but the Bluetooth connectivity allows you to dim that and operate the awning. Again, this is the bright white exterior full body premium base coat clear coat automotive finish. It is available in granite, ceramic gray, and also the deep cherry red. And now as we work our way inside the 59K, we'll cover one sweeping shot of this floor plan, and then we'll cover each of the main living areas in more detail. We've ordered this particular coach in the blue soft goods collections. All of the soft goods collections, including the ultra leather front seats, which is a factory installed option, includes the blue interior. It is paired up with weathered teak cabinetry that you see here. It is also available in this, the blue soft goods collection with full walnut cabinetry. It is also available then in this, the blue soft goods collection with walnut cabinetry and then the white uppers. All of these cabinet locations then feature Techniform Italian cabinetry, and Winnebago makes this investment for you, our guests, really for two reasons. First of all, it's extremely lightweight, so it frees up that over 1,700 pounds of occupant and cargo carrying capacity, but it's also moisture resistant. Techniform originally started in Italy, manufacturing cabinetry for high-end yachts. As they fight humidity on the open ocean, we fight humidity within RVing climates. Those measurements are provided to the Italian Techniform manufacturer to control tolerances in fit and finish, but also to maximize storage. Dual twin beds to the rear with an oversized large bath and one to the rear. Each of the twin beds then actually convert to a 74 by 76 inch flex bed system. You'll see also down on the floor over the one-piece sheet of upgraded vinyl flooring is the complete woven PVC coach mat featuring textured padding, easily removable and easy to clean, a factory installed option. Up front, ultra leather cab seats, again a factory installed option. Our true synthetic leather seats, easier to clean. Very weather temperative, meaning not so hot during the summer and not so cold during the wintertime, but also features the bolster and the padding with a luxurious front ultra leather cab seat. Again, that ties in nicely with the adjustable and removable table and mount, along with the extension that we'll showcase for the driver's side. Now we'll cover each of the main living areas here in more detail. One feature that people rave about is this large, expansive inline kitchen or galley area. It features high luster Corian countertops. All of the windows then feature the Euro cassette shade system, a full bank of overhead weathered teak cabinetry in this particular coach. And then overhead, this is the MaxxAir premium vent system, a thermostatically controlled fan with a remote control that can be wall mounted. Provides a tremendous amount of high CFM or air velocity to bring in a tremendous amount of fresh air throughout the RV, especially in conjunction with these driver's side windows and also the expansive front cargo door. All of the cabinetries now feature stronger positive lock latching systems so that things won't jump out in transit. You can see the coach owner's bag in this particular cabinet, but just a full bank running all the way north to south. You can see the freshwater hose included from the Nautilus Water Systems panel, and also the water filtration purification system for underneath the sink area. Continuing on with the RAM Tough Track mounts, including basket storage here for spices, canned goods, or any kitchen utensils. Whether you do the side hung glass windows or the acrylic dual pane windows, features this, the Euro cassette system, provides complete opaque privacy, but it is whisper quiet so you won't have roller shades rattling down the road. It also includes the insect screens. High luster DuPont Corian countertops are included with a rear catch-all so that things aren't jumping out behind this cabinetry set. A large oversized stainless steel aluminum sink with a drop-in dual burner range top with innovative glass cooktop cover and a pop-up electrical outlet station. This is a single control high-rise satin nickel gooseneck style faucet. It does also then include the water purification system underneath the countertops with easy to find filters at any home improvement store. A large drop-in stainless steel sink, again with a DuPont Corian high luster goods collection sink top cover. And even with the heavy Corian countertops, still maintaining over 1,700 pounds of occupant and cargo carrying capacity. Here you'll see a pop-up power station, which includes a variety of 110 volt outlets and USB-A 12 volt power points. Off to the right then, an easy to clean stainless steel dual burner range top with an innovative glass cooktop cover to maximize what is already a tremendous amount of inline countertop space for a 21-foot van. Easy to clean with a stainless steel basin, but then an easy to clean backsplash behind here with this innovative glass cooktop cover. Underneath here then you'll find a pull-out extension table that can be used as a workstation for the driver's seat. Down below, off to the right, you'll see the Eco Hot hot water loop. The nice thing about this is it flushes out all of the cold water from your hot water lines and routes it back into the freshwater tank to conserve water when RVing off the grid. Works nicely in conjunction with the Truma Combi Eco Comfort Plus system, which features both LP and electrical elements for coach heat, but in this situation for continuous on-demand hot water. Here you'll see a full-length extension drawer pull-out with several of the remote controls, including the premium vent system that we covered from Max Air. Down below here you'll see a 4.3 cubic foot compressor driven refrigerator and freezer, which is 12 volt. It is very energy efficient when at temp, pulls the same amount of voltage as a 100 watt light bulb. Since it is a compressor driven refrigerator, it can be used at higher altitudes when the coach is not level, but really provides a much more energy efficient way of bringing in a refrigerator and freezer into a nimble van. Off to the right then you'll see the microwave oven with touch controls. Microwave convection oven is available based on constraints from supply chains. This convection oven allows you to bake, brown, and roast just like a traditional oven, yet it frees up all of that additional space. Be sure to check out our microwave convection cooking classes in our video library on Lichtsinn.com, as well as a Lichtsinn RV Live webcast production in which we invited a pair of chefs that were taking delivery of their factory fresh RVs here at Lichtsinn RV to do a convection cooking class for us, where you'll learn about the rule of 25. All of the drawers here from Winnebago Industries are full-length extensions with metal drawer glides, not tripping over pennies and nickels to save money on providing shorter drawers or even plastic drawer glides, or lesser quality positive lock latching. You'll see the laser-tuned air diffusers for the Truma Combi Eco Comfort Plus system that is whisper quiet. And again, using smart space computer-aided design, providing storage anywhere possible. You'll see locking storage here conveniently located between the driver and passenger seat. Using the same upgraded Beaufloor vinyl flooring front to rear, even if you don't use the factory option of the woven coach mat, you can literally Swiffer this coach out in a matter of minutes. A removable floor mat is included up front, although many will opt for the WeatherTech liners that we offer here, being a WeatherTech dealer. One of the great features here is this pull-out extension table, which then hinges around to provide a large oversized pull-out extension that can be used for additional food prep space or for a workstation for the driver when swiveled. You can also opt to use the lagoon table off to the patio side as a standing height desk or just an additional food prep space. And it can also then be used as a workstation for the passenger seat when swiveled, both of these seats becoming integral lounge chairs to the van. You can see one-handed touch operation. It then locks into place with the snap. So a large kitchen or galley area here in the 59K. To the rear here, twin bed setups that convert to a flex bed setup. Full banks of overhead weathered teak or walnut cabinetry are included on each side, these being the weathered teak, again all paired up with the blue soft goods collection. Overhead here, this is the inside access to the Coleman Mach 10 NDQ high efficiency air conditioning system. It features directional air vents, easy to clean pull-out filters. It is thermostatically controlled. And for our shorter guests, you can pair this up with Bluetooth connectivity to your smartphone or tablet for operation. It features thermostatic control and an automatic mode that turns the blower fan on or off when the compressor is not running to conserve power. Here you can see bound by the W quick access hooks for coats or for keys. Another full bank of overhead Techniform cabinetry. This particular cabinet including the quick port roof access to bring in any type of connectivity enhancement. It then includes the 110 volt outlets and 12 volt USB charge points and 12 volt power station. It is pre-routed into the roof line for any type of connectivity enhancement. Again, that could be a Winegard Connect 2.0, Starlink, or even a WeBoost cellular booster. Be sure to check out all of our Connectivity Lichtsinn RV live webcasts and our Connectivity Antenna Finder tool on our parts page on Lichtsinn.com. Inside this cabinet, then you'll also find the ZAMP solar charge controller, preset for the AGM Group 31 RV batteries, but it is configurable for any type of upgrade down the road. It is expandable and includes 215 watts roof-mounted standard. You'll see in each of these cabinet locations all of the well-labeled serial number and part number locations, so heaven forbid if you have any body damage on the outside or cabinet damage on the inside, we can have a cabinet custom made for you and sent out. For the audio-visual system, this is a 24-inch high-definition television on an articulating mount that also includes the Bluetooth soundbar, so it can be maneuvered away from the wall for use from the front cab seats that become integral lounge chairs or from each of the individual twin beds. Down below you'll see the coach battery disconnect switch, which is a storage feature, allows you to terminally separate the dual AGM Group 31 RV batteries, which are maintenance free, but during storage you can terminally separate those to ensure no parasitic draw. Fire extinguisher located right near your cargo door for use inside or outside, a GFI protected outlet, and then also controls for that 13-foot Colorado Carefree awning with LED lighting and the motion sensor retract. You'll see a lagoon table mount there for the foot of the patio side twin bed. Continuing on with the side hung windows and the Euro cassette shade system. Again, RAM Tough Track mounts being located throughout the van for convenient use with smartphone attachments, tablet attachments. At the foot of the bed, you'll see that lagoon mount, and then at the headboard is where you'll see anything keepers that glide down and are routed out for smartphone cable attachments for charging during the evening. Since we all sleep next to our smartphone or tablet, you can charge and then provide easy access with these anything keepers from the head of the bed. Directional reading lamps provide a night light, and you can press and hold that down to provide a directional LED reading lamp. Convenient 12 volt and USB power points are located throughout the van, these being dual USB-A inputs. Each of these twin beds now feature the wind sleep system with storage below on the patio side here. You can see underneath here then storage, but also the new wind sleep system, providing deep freeze technology to keep that mattress nice and cool, providing antimicrobial bacteria prevention. Great fresh air ventilation then underneath the wind sleep bed. Deep Freeze Plus technology, including serene foam that draws excess heat from your body to create a cool, comfortable sleeping environment. You'll see storage here underneath, as well as the Luno cab bed front air mattress, a factory installed option that expands sleeping to a 30 by 65 inch sleeping surface with the support base, cordless pump, repair kit, and storage bag. Again, a factory installed upgrade. Underneath the wind sleep system, then the Zomi slat bed system, which is a European style suspension offering flexible support, increased comfort, and circulating airflow below, providing for a drier, cooler mattress. Here you'll see your 110 volt breaker panel on the patio side, just in front of the oversized bath and one, this being the 110 volt breaker system, above then being the 12 volt blade fuse style system. Also a hardwired LP detector, and cold air inputs for the Truma Combi Eco Comfort Plush. Additional storage, again using smart space computer aided design. 110 volt outlet is included, as well as several of the laser tuned air delivery ducts for the Truma Combi Eco Comfort Plus system. On the driver's side twin bed, which is a 28 by 74 inch twin bed, you'll find 2 additional safety belts for travel and transit. Another full bank of overhead Italian Technofoam cabinets for great storage in a 21-foot nimble van. Also on the driver's side, you'll see another anything keeper with directional reading lamp or nightlight. Another Ram Tough Truck mount, so you can include any Ram attachment and slide on this location. Another Euro cassette shade system, providing insect protection, but then also complete opaque privacy in the evening. So the driver's side twin bed is 28 by 74 inches and features dual safety belts. The patio side twin bed is 28 by 80 inches. When combined into a flex bed system, it provides a 74 by 76 inch queen bed style setup, only 6 inches narrower in terms of length, but also oversized, approaching nearly a king bed at the width area. Inside the van, a 6-foot 3-inch ceiling height for our taller guests. And then a nice shot there down below of that complete woven PVC coach mat, featuring textured padding to be nimble and comfortable on the feet. It's easily removable and can be shaken out for easy cleaning. Additional storage then here underneath the driver's side twin bed with that lightweight aluminum extruded Euro Zomi slat bed suspension that slides out then to provide the flex bed base. Now as we work our way inside the oversized bath and one, again moisture resistant Italian Technoform cabinetry with a large wardrobe closet and folding drawer underneath. You can see the easy quick access to open up that cargo door from inside the van. Overhead you'll find a mirrored medicine cabinet. You'll find the Oxygenics shower head with a flexible hose that allows you to start and stop the water both on the head as well as on the faucet to conserve water when RVing off the grid. A 12-volt ventilator fan for the oversized bath and one to the rear, and you can see the track for the shower curtain to keep everything dry. All of this resides over the weathered teak shower mat, which is actually sealed marine plywood that will resist water. So that is the teak mat that is over the one-piece pan and one-piece surround for the 25 by 43 inch shower area. see the mirrored medicine cabinet with a positive lock latching, a fold down sink then. There's also a 12-volt on-demand water pump switch, so that if you forgot to turn it on overside the sliding door on the patio side, you can still clean your hands. Here you can see another single control lavatory faucet with a high-rise gooseneck style faucet head that tucks away and then can be used with that fold-down shower sink. A dedicated control with the Moen mixing valve and then the Oxygenics overhead shower head. Again, you can start and stop the water both on the head as well as on the faucet for RVing off the grid to conserve water. A residential height style toilet is included with a foot pedal flush and a pull-out sink sprayer for easy maintenance and easy cleaning. It is residential height and also features a modified elongated bowl for comfort. Here you can see the sealed marine plywood teak mat over the one-piece pan down below for easy maintenance and easy cleaning. A large pull-out drawer here, again a full-length extension with metal drawer glides and large oversized wardrobe cabinet to the rear, which features the shirt hanging curtain rod and an adjustable shelf for foldable clothing. Shelves up top and down below for a total of 3, including the base. Again, all of these plastics are manufactured in-house by Winnebago Industries. So you'll have parts available down the road, but can also be custom contoured for tighter tolerances in fit and finish, which long-term will minimize squeaks and rattles compared to competing models. All of the plumbing systems then use PEX residential quality tubing with quick disconnect and compression connectors at key locations. Easy serviceability with manifolds to reduce connections and therefore possibility of leaks being reduced up to 75%. Over the sliding door is where you'll find all of your connections in one easy to access location, including the controls for the heated drainage system allowing you to drain the tank in sub-freezing climates, a master LP solenoid shutoff valve, convenient for use when traveling through tunnels and overpasses, controls for the 1000 watt pure sine wave inverter that allows you to power household appliances directly off of the dual AGM Group 31 maintenance free batteries, controls off to the left for the Truma Combi Eco Comfort Plus system. A 2.6 gallon quick recovery system provides continuous on-demand hot water and coach heating system through either LP, electricity, or a combination of both. They feature time adjustable controls so that you don't have to waste electricity or LP during the evening heating your water, for example. You can also set this so that when you're away to keep the van warm. The one-place panel features all of your readouts for tank levels and battery level voltages at one easy-to-access location, including a 12-volt on-demand water pump switch and controls to start and stop the ultra-low-quiet, National Park-friendly Cummins Onan 2800i fuel-injected generator. The true-level holding tank monitoring system includes ultrasonic sonar sensors on the outsides of those one-piece rotocast tanks, as opposed to using probes and drilling through tanks that they purchase from third-party suppliers with other RV manufacturers in Elkhart, Indiana, which can potentially leak, corrode, or provide false readings over time. You'll also see the power control system to shed power so that you don't trip a breaker if you do have to downshed to save 15 or 20 amp electrical service. Overhead, you'll see the steel shelf that Winnebago adds, including the front privacy panels for the cab. Down below, ultra leather cab seats, which are a factory installed upgrade, are synthetic leather. They're very soft, a buttery supple feel, very weather temperative. So not so hot during the summer, not so cold during the winter. You can also be fairly aggressive in cleaning. Each of these cab seats rotate to become integral lounge chairs. They feature the adjustable headrest and slide, swivel, and recline. Airbags are included for the driver and front passenger, side curtain, and side seat bolster. Here you'll see push-button start for the new RAM ProMaster chassis with a telescoping steering column. Off to the left then of this steering column is where you'll find controls for the LCD 7-inch color digital information system cluster. Controls to operate hands-free calling with Bluetooth connectivity or Apple CarPlay or Android Auto in between the information cluster controls and the main horn area. And then off to the right, controls for cruise control. Each of the side arms then include the lighting controls for the fog lamps and then washer wiper controls off to the right. Again, this is a 7-inch color digital information cluster controlled off to the left of the steering column. It is configurable for certain things that you'd like to see in transit. Off to the left then you'll see powered windows, powered door locks, keyless entry, lockouts for the passenger side, express up and down windows, controls for the parabolic piggy folding side mirrors. Here you can see the parking brake and a battery boost switch, an innovative ad by Winnebago Industries. Being certified with RAM ProMaster, they allow Winnebago then to tie in the dual AGM Group 31 maintenance-free RV batteries to jumpstart the chassis battery if the chassis battery does get low. Controls for the 9-speed torque flight transmission with grade braking capabilities. This is the new Uconnect version 5 with 10-inch infotainment system, compatible with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and includes SiriusXM satellite radio. You can see controls for the rear view camera monitoring system, controls for your media, redundant heating, ventilation, and air conditioning controls with the Uconnect 5 and the 10-inch infotainment, or down below with the hard press buttons. You can do split screen capability. It includes SiriusXM satellite radio, complete media inputs, an exterior thermometer, high definition radio. You can see the navigation built in, controls for connecting a phone even through Bluetooth connectivity if you don't use Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Here you can see the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning controls, in addition to the hard button controls down below. Navigation controls, although most will end up using Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, tying nicely into your contact address book, featuring real-time traffic updates, real-time POI updates, the ability to pair up for Bluetooth connectivity. Some will actually pair up to a smartphone or tablet. Here you'll find vehicle settings. And then there you can see the rear view camera monitoring system. Some nice new enhancements, including electric rack and pinion power steering featuring a 36.3 turning diameter, electronic park brake, forward collision warning plus, the digital rearview camera, multi-collision braking, and the new Uconnect version 5 with 10-inch infotainment. Off to the right, you'll see USB-C and USB-A inputs, as well as a 12-volt PowerPoint station. Overlaying this entire area then is a carbon fiber instrument panel applique. There you can see controls for Alexa, Android Auto, or Apple CarPlay. Down below then you have hard button controls for the radio, including the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system underneath that, controls for the hazard lamps, power door locks, and the ability to turn traction control on or off, for posi traction if you are hung up in wintertime conditions. Although keep in mind this coach is front wheel drive. With the weight of the engine overhead, it provides great traction. Here you'll see a new refined cup holder and phone holder. Does include the Winnebago cab front mat, although many will go with a WeatherTech mat, with us being a WeatherTech authorized installer and dealer. Those are available in our parts camping supply store in our all-new dealership here at Lichtsinn RV. Off to the right then you'll see additional storage, a total of 6 airbags, dual front, side curtain, and side seat bolster airbags. Front privacy panels are then included for complete privacy in the evening, but you can also use the annex rear curtain system for a quick magnetic pawn to the over steel shelving area. You can see the SOS capability with RAM ProMaster. Here you'll see the digital rear view mirror. Provides real-time monitoring to the rear even in transit. Integrated 3-point safety belts are included then. This is the Lagoon table that can be used as the workstation for the passenger. It can be elevated up or down to be a standing height desk or additional food prep surface location. It can be used inside or outside of the van. And again, there is a Lagoon table mount here for the passenger seat, but then also for the foot of the patio side bed. A pop-up power station then includes 110 volt electricity as well as USB-A inputs for charging smartphones or tablets. And again, that can be used in transit because it tucks right behind the right-hand side of the passenger. Another Ram Tough Truck mount also then doubles as an easy-to-access entry handle. The Lagoon table features heavy anodized aluminum construction and a space-saving 360-degree swivel to create even more floor space. It can be used as a workstation, extended meal prep space, workspace, or even a play game with your friends inside or outside, and features an easy lock system in travel. So as we swivel around, we'll cover one last sweeping shot, as I want to take this opportunity to thank you for visiting Lichtsinn RV and for the opportunity to showcase for you the restyled and re-engineered ProMaster chassis, the foundation for this factory fresh Winnebago Travato 59K, available here at Lichtsinn RV, America's closest dealer to Winnebago Industries. We're located only 1 mile north of the Winnebago factory, based right here in Forest City, Iowa, and named by the manufacturer Winnebago Motorhomes as the North American top dealer for sales volume across all of the motorhome coach divisions of Winnebago Industries. Based right here in Forest City, Iowa, consistently each year since 2015. Also last year, we were awarded the #2 Class B RV dealer nationwide, covering all camper vans, including Winnebago's competitors, while only offering the Winnebago van lineup. We're also a Flying W Platinum Award winner, which provides recognition for customer satisfaction with parts and service after the sale. However, most importantly, be the first to break in and protect your new Ram powertrain in accordance with the way RAM ProMaster outlines on page 72 of their owner's manuals, in which they recommend, if possible, no towing for the first 1,000 miles, driving moderately during the first 300 miles at speeds up to 50 or 55 miles per hour, and while cruising, brief full throttle acceleration within the limits of local traffic laws, contributing to a good engine break-in procedure. Wide open throttle acceleration in low gear is detrimental and should be avoided. Be the first to break in that new powertrain, sleep that first night in your twin bed flex bed setup, and eat that first meal in your factory fresh Winnebago Travato, available here at Lichtsinn RV. Thank you for visiting Lichtsinn RV here in Forest City, Iowa, the home of Winnebago Industries. I'm Ron Lichtsinn, and I want to thank you for visiting our dealership here in Forest City, Iowa. Here are some great points from the Lichtsinn RV team as to points unrelated to price why you should experience the best here at Lichtsinn RV.
New motorhomes from Lichtsinn RV have no delivery miles on them. We do not use delivery services like other dealers in which drivers live in the RV during transportation or tow their own personal vehicle during the crucial engine break-in period.
There are no additional fees when purchasing an RV in the state of Iowa. You will always pay the tax, title, and license in the state in which you register your RV. However, we do help in assisting titling your RV in your home state. We help people day in and day out from all over the United States and Canada with titling their motorhome.
At Lichtsinn RV, we have cost savings compared to other RV dealers. This allows us to provide you with low, no-hassle pricing.
We provide a complimentary thorough walk-around of your RV with any RV purchase at the time of delivery. This orientation may be done in person or virtually if you prefer. This orientation is dedicated one-on-one time with a Lichtsinn RV Winnebago product expert and will take as much time as needed so that you can understand every function, switch, maintenance, and warranty items of your RV. Many dealers charge a significant sum to provide this service.
Here at Lichtsinn RV, we want to make your stay with us as comfortable as possible. With our newly expanded campground, we provide our guests the opportunity to stay on our lot while enjoying free access to Wi-Fi, filtered fresh water, and electrical hookups. This is available to guests taking delivery of their new RV or just passing through for a service appointment. We have two state-of-the-art guest lounge areas for your comfort where you can grab a cup of coffee and relax while enjoying your favorite show or use our laptop tables in our comfortable seating areas. And your pets are welcome to join you in the guest lounge and throughout the Lichtsinn RV dealership.
We work with several different national lenders in order to secure you the most competitive rate and terms.
We also offer insurance from several different insurance carriers such as Progressive and Nationwide.
Purchase and service your RV and experience the best at Lichtsinn RV, the nation's closest dealer to Winnebago Industries, based right here in Forest City, Iowa.